Alright, so in Nutanix, I'm in Prism element here, and what we're going to do is we're going to upgrade the host firmware. As you can see here, you navigate to LCM and inventory, the inventory tab here, what we have. It tells all our versions of software that we have, as well as which SPP, which is Service Pack ProLiant. We're running HP hardware. Details doesn't give you too much more except the model of HP hardware I have, and this version is the current version we're on. And what we want to do is we have updates here. So if you click on the updates here, you say you have software and firmware. All right, so for this we're just going to update firmware, but before I do that, well, I'll show you it first here. So update to 9003, and currently we are on 002. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do another inventory in case there's something new out there, which I don't think there is, but I'll show you just do an inventory here. This will search for anything, including software updates that are new. This will take a few minutes. So I'm going to fast forward this part. As you can see, as it kicks off here, we have a alert up here and just telling me that it's running this task right now. And kicked off the framework check, successful. Working on the inventory task now. It's just got to go through these tasks all down here. There we go, version refresh. There you go, successfully ran an inventory. So let's go back here and we'll go to updates again, and it looks like it's still the same version, so that's what we're updating to. And at this point we can just run the updates. I can do it. All right, so I'm going to apologize right now. I started to run an update and did not have the video recording, so I stopped it. So as you can see, one host has already been upgraded to the 03 version, and the other two have not. So I stopped it so I could show the other two. But before you do that, it's always best to do the software updates first if you have them that need to be done. So you go down here, you go to software, but you can see this in another video I have out there. I'll put a link to it in the description. Currently, these versions are newer and are not really recommended to go to. 7, it's just available. It's not LTS yet, and 10 only works with version 7, so it won't let you do that without doing 7, and we don't want to do that. So anyway, make sure you run software updates first, then you come back to this video and we'll continue up with the firmware. So now you can see here it's only updating on the 2 nodes now. So I'm going to select both off. You can do one at a time if you want, or select both, and in the middle of it you can stop it, and it'll stop whatever stopping point it has. Like I was already past the one node and it started on the other one, so that's when I stopped it. So now we're going to do just the last remaining two here. So I'm going to view my upgrade plan, and come from .02 going to .03. There's not much in the details. If you need to get what's in the SPP version, you're going to have to look this up on HP's site, because Nutanix won't tell you anywhere. They'll just reference you to go to HP site. So that's if you're running HP hardware. If you're not running HP hardware, then you won't have to deal with these firmware updates. Nutanix has their own, and you can see their stuff right on the site. So anyway, I'm going to apply these 2 updates here and get started. And just like the other updates, you're going to have the main bar here with percentage done. You can stop it right here at any time, and it leaves checkpoints that it'll fall back to. Like I said, I stopped the one, and now I had the one host upgraded. I think it's 2 left. That's what we're doing now. And here we go. This is it's doing the pre-check stuff. It's take a few minutes, the whole process. I think the host took me about an hour and 15 minutes maybe to do. So I would expect them all to take about the same. But I won't make you watch the whole thing. I will, fast forward this and only show what's needed. All right, here we go. Looks like it finished. So we'll go back to updates here. The inventory, and we see all hosts are now on the same version. All right, hope this helps. Thanks for watching.